Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Mohamed Anwar. Today I'm going to show to you how to use prefixes and suffixes. A prefix is a letter or group of letters placed in front of a word to change its meaning. So let's see some examples about prefixes. Placed in front of a word to change its meaning. So let's see some examples about prefixes. Unhappy or unfriendly. We have a semicircle. We have a renew or return. So let's move to suffixes. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning. Let's have a look at these examples. For example, we have careful or joyful. We have linguistics. We have action. We have infinity or sanity, motive, fearless, careless, debatable, personal, higher, actor, biggest. So these are some suffixes. Look at the end of each word. You see that a suffix in each word, okay, at the end of each word. So try as much as you can to find other prefixes and suffixes. Thank you for watching this simple lesson. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. See you soon.